I'm walking across the fence. Oh, crap, I almost tripped.
And he's gonna be weird.
So,
don't say anything.
if I ever do this, I'm probably gonna make a series of me doing stupid crap.
Me too.
You don't have a YouTube channel. And this is really one of the more dangerous parts.
Doing a gate.
Really, you're supposed to get the camera on me, dude. That's why I hired you as my cameraman.
Oh, sorry.
And I hired you for free because you're my cousin.
I'm Peanut. Ow, something just hit me.
Your name is Jack.
Peanut.
Alright.
Peanut.
This is one of the harder parts.
And he's about to try her. He made it. Ah, wiggles. I almost died.
Guys, if you like that, rate, comment, and subscribe. And when you do, give me suggestions for other stupid things to do. Alright, because that was very stupid. Alright.
Not as stupid as mine.